key feature of your success in language learning is to learn to do little things in a consistent way. Probably I have said this a million times. It is not about the multiplicity of sources that you have. It is not about the kind of sources that you have. Sometimes you have very little access to sources to learn English, but you are making good use of them. And this is the purpose. This is the goal, is to make good use of it, is to devour the kind of materials that you have and learn the ins and out of it. So do little things consistently, and I'm pretty sure your success is guaranteed. Rest assured. مدرب لغة وليد خالد.